Ogo ono na no na fifi egbe. Ni mana tamiya ni no heke ni ahia ugwe. Not be by to take your picture or to take your name to Babalawo, not being the say they get time right. Yes. And you will see a lot of them, they don't even have nothing. And most of them, they sleep outside, they do the live video. You go see some of them, they inside darkness, they don't even get Photoshop that day just because they prefer to stay that outside and they prefer to stay inside dark so they do evil. Una no say this life, anything, you no get it be. You must always get time, no get it be. You no get it be, you must get time for body. The thing tire me. Mama, not be small. The thing, the way they tire me, yesterday when I dey listen. I say, God, now so this life be. Now so people they wicked. Now so people they heartless. Like you don't even care about what that person is passing through. You don't really care. You just care about yourself. How you want to see that person go down. You know they walk like that. You know they walk like that. Okay, before I go start this one, I want to start so. When I see video when I post this morning, this video, now video where they see Faith picture inside those you get one babalawo come they pound pikin. As he come they pound down, now they cash and as they say me they beat now the babalawo vanish, kabush. He vanish, now they say okay, may they scatter all the old this thing. A lot of pictures was there. And waiting Faith picture go find for there. This life evil. See, they don't say man not do evil. Una go see some people like me now when I come this social media. I can't here come enjoy myself. Oh. I not come here come make trouble with anybody. Oh. But if you say you want make trouble with me, I not get time to even reply you. Even though say I hear now or they can't tell me, he reply well. Yeah, with silence is the best answer. Give it to a fool. You understand? As a fool that the person or he or she is, I don't need to respond to them. That is it. You understand? So you see a lot of them, they don't want to see you grow. They want to see that you are going down. They want to see that you are going down. And it's very bad. When you wish somebody to go down, know that you too, you are going to go down one day. You are going down. You know, get it be. You are going down. Even though say it never happened to you now. And God knows, say that person where you they refer to, in mind they clean. He is going with you with all his heart. You will see that you too will be going down very soon. You will see that you too, you are going down. This life, make we try to take ourselves together. Make you know they say because say this one na this because say view. I mean work bina ye view, work bina ye a commenter. Wait, so it can't get to the extent that you people will take somebody's picture to Babalawo. Now there, now I hold my head. Now I not my kebenenwa. How can you go to that extent to take somebody's picture to Babalawo? Am I the hands in evil people everywhere? Why is it like this? And it is inside the community, the Bini community. Is a disgrace. It's so annoying. Motamu wana. Later now they say, I'm fighting for my rights. I'm fighting for the... No, darling, you are not fighting for your rights. You are not fighting for the good of the people. You are fighting for your own pockets. You want to see your mates go down. You want to see that they'll call the laugh the person say, hey, give me a view. Not the one have not they come. Not the one have not they come. But my advice for na be say, when I see all those things for na do, just look. I was watching the video where Monica do with Kate, where Kate calling they beg. Kate, where ugbe? Like you. All of you, the one I not like no deal. You know, gay I go be. When I see now, when I not say Monica talk and say all of you na when he beat and when he not beat. He say all of you na go come beg. Now beg all of you na do they beg now. Me here where you more say then ya na make by you go. I love you all. I love you all. When I see any error, I'm here to talk about it. Yes, me. Iware man iwa tale ebo ede mi ropa so no mi nu awu me. Only ni nu awu me. You know shame, oh. Upon all everything you don't talk about, I don't say if you like come from me, I don't really care. Upon all everything where you don't talk about, faith, how your brother, you not marry your brother, how you say they go road work and everything. What kind of friend una they make? Which kind of friend? Friend where know they keep secrets. Friend where you with and go quarrel, go leak you. I don't do those kind of friends. If you are my friend and you record me, maybe me and you got conversation, you are on your home. Una they see record one person, they record only one person go, just they talk, they go. You know it, you not talk any of that thing inside. Now only one person. You carry phone, you call beg Monica, which I was very happy that you beg her. And Monica na person where get good heart. Yes, I always Monica na person where get good heart and he forgive you people. They go my baby, no, I forgive you whether you only and I give your husband kudos too. That man, he might too sweet. He too sweet. You know, safe now some man. I will not get out. But for in their case was not like that. Now so God say make it be. If somebody can't beg you, when you realize, say, he don't make mistake, you go forgive him. Now so it's supposed to be. But so they go tell you say they forgive you. Tomorrow they will do worse to you. Why is it like that? Why is it like that? Why is it like that on this social media, on this heads where we did? You go call person your own friend. That your friend there. You see that recording of that thing where Kate where they say Lolo go call Faith. Kate go say make Lolo put her for speaker. Kate go they record them. I get person where don't do it to me like that. Oh, I record the where they hair. Who they hair? Also in a Latin. You know what to work be. Especially go for not be all of now where they Europe. Especially people where come from Italy. You know where Mama did you got radio? In a way, it made me work be. Well, in white way, made me work be. I will what to work be. Made me work be. Una get that thing they una finger when I say they record people. Una can record anything recordable. You are see why you the record person. Where can you just carry record the record and you are just waiting for that day for you to put that person down? That's so now wicked. That's so now wicked. That's so now they actless. Why are you guys like this? What are you going to gain? If you put your own sister down, what will you gain? Where we going on any record? What was one record you were? A record in what we are going to bang. Are you now like part 2 a film? Why not they like that? Must you record everything? Must you record people? Must you record people? A record in any no here see you what they get the disgrace in any. Oh, and this girl now you even worse pass. Again, you get a Kate. Oh, sorry. A Faith. Again, you missing here. A Faith. Slow points in down. For you, when somebody go call you, he go say me you put it on speaker. Why will you put it on speaker if you are not a devil? Make una know people when they talk to for this social media. Me, I can talk to anybody. Eri me kwaje, eri ozo ni ga agben yo there your way. Ni ge igale la social media presenter ku. Oba kan we. I know my lane. I will follow anyone want. It's none of your business. Provided I not come gossip somebody for you. Provided the talk with me and you they talk now just both of us. I not come bring a procure come for you. Now just normal talk with the talk. So why I can't they fear? I not carry my marriage come for you. I not carry my children. I not carry my life come for you. I not tell you as I enter abroad. What do you want to talk? Say, me and mama did it there for no, you call me. Did I gist any other person with you? If I want to even gist anything, maybe now waiting they go on, just like the way this Kate Faith and everything they go on. That is what I will discuss with you. And I will tell you that this kind of thing is very bad. Like the way they talk yes, so. Make una learn how to always look people back, not be only on home. How can you? They say you never enter social media. You carry person record, they keep on until the rainy day. He give me a my social social media now. So we wa gather information man ugbe ado ya gbo me money kama name ni no uwe una wa gbeg una muhwe ari de Zafara forest gumu. For me, I don't believe on those things. Yeah, I don't believe on it. You know, say this life, I just want to use this for other people. What you don't believe, don't think it will, the thing will happen to you. Like me, if I don't believe something, if I don't believe that you can charm me, you cannot charm me. You cannot charm me. I believe that you cannot charm me, and your charm not go work for my body. It go only go work for your family body. And you go see a lot of them, they go put down for months. I will hear live video now. I even talking for my video. Now, so this person, he open platform the way I open so. Before you know, if you say you want to do live video, he might go to me, I was seeing, I was Zagmozemi, why, I cover myself with the blood of Jesus. I didn't know what you were, no giaz, because he married Rudugua. And he Zagua Bugbe. I didn't know more na wala lao, na they go come and they go say, na so they bio, whereas you are nothing. You are nothing. Katie. I still pray for you, say, thank God, say, they see that, that your picture brick come out because, the way me here, they say, never born. I pray that may God, the way they take, that, those things, they take destroy them. Anything where they tie you, where not make you born, whatever, anything where they delay you, may God don't use that thing. He don't open for you, for everything to be okay for you. But if you not say they do evil, you stop that I don't say it be slow poison. You know, say you see some people now, I don't know how to hide my feelings. Face to face. Recording. Or see any call any presenter me. If I get that time, I go call you. If you want to record me. What you want to play? Nothing. What you want to talk about me? Nothing. You don't have anything. And I don't even have anything that we go even make me come to shake my mind, say, I don't fit talk to you. But the reason why I come today, say, una see all this whole wahala, go una don't carry everybody pass for this social media. How una take Carol Juju and everything come, now una see Carol Juju come. Now una know how to how they spell the English, I know. Now una they do it to people. See, if I were you, Kate, as far as you don't apologize, you see all those things, not let her repeat itself again. No. Not let her repeat itself. Just let it go. That one not me say, make you go the fight where not concerns you. Do your thing, make you enter house. When no was on the a feti ni. Okay, o was on the a lolo, we are echo. One social media presenter na was I was saying, Mune. Why you got zinya will say? Why you got complain, Maya? If you not get anything, we could not need down to God. I know say sometimes it gets some kind of time where you go need somebody to talk to. But this social media not on the lepers they open up again. Just because of una recording. Ugi o no me social media. Ona wa son ya record on keep. Ezo maere, ona wa mu ezo le lo mani. Here, on one mune o one ogbera joromi. Oh, what bera because a karatu wana, it can why una no say na una children and they use and do. As soon as job be so one they record, God forbid my children not feel marshal to na children say they want marry. Iku egba. Obi married do maro you when and then ma wo we are record me o ya keep and then ya we me ya la saga wona mu e ona miel. As a social media presenter, you don't need to record anybody. Don't record. It's not important. Why will I record you? Now me they talking. Baba, anything that will make me to record anybody in my life, remove it out of me. It's not good. It's not going to make somebody confined on you. So you know a lot of people they are passing a lot. They are passing here. They need somebody to talk to, just like me. Sometimes when I get my heart they heavy, I need somebody to explode down to tell, say, I see waiting. I need a second person that when I'll feel free my mind to. But to not make this social media change to, no, you cannot. Tomorrow you can't use that and laugh me. As I told just now, I get person, when he do it to me. Me madi he, apa pia, me igage, he, kwa record di mene. Record di ya genitally. Agwio, never on online. Record you wa Emma. Wa Emma, wa mana fi wedi. Unwedi on not ton sa ba here few why. Are they recording wa record mana? Wa record man no ma record. O ma no ma gwa lu gwa gwa le gie. They are doing it for view. Na view na. View ge an ojuju my mama. Bonya webo. Inya wa webo. How can you come live on this social media? You say na juju you want to do. You cannot call on God. You guys cannot even just because of you. How much of you want give una? Wanna take put disgrace on herself and on her family? How much you want give una? How much you want give una? When una take make people to say, you know what? I can never talk to this kind of person. Me, I can talk to anybody I want to talk to. Provided I not can lick myself or I not carry another person matter come for you. Una how not be like that. Eketi we adwa yimi Monica we no la wo no ya bowe. Ige lolo ga pushi we. Ekwere mu e. Okwo gwe. Oka mu gwe nu ya gbinigbina no we. It's a shame. It's a shame. I don't say not they exist, but I don't believe it. It do exist, but I don't believe it. See the other one way come say, I'm looking for the truth. I'm looking for the truth. Say say Monica, I tell her me still fight for her. Make una check all this Simona Balasa. Manu wa gbene gbo wa yegbe. Guys, share this video. Manu wa. Inya wa ate wa mu gbizama mu. Akanonya bury begioma. You feel they follow person before, you know. Me, I don't know why now they follow them. Must you follow them? Of course, you can go and support them. Must you be a teddy bear, follow them? Anywhere they go, you follow them. Anywhere they go. Now this one go send you. This one send now, this one send now. The other one send now, this one send now. Ekwe muwa. Ine ma wagi wa. Wagi buwa. Why no one wagi? Are you guys not ashamed of yourself? That means una be toy. Whether they pion everywhere. You guys you are a toy. How can you say this one I break you? Now tell you mean you go cause that one? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Are you sick in your head? Big woman like you. Big woman like you. Somebody they push you to insult another person will not insult you. Inya we ne oh. Ikiare bia oniga mi ene botuga uyoto tu kiara ebo wie. We na uyoto we hiara ebo wie. Make una start to the carry people ne go ojuju. Make una start to the carry people picture they go ojuju. Are ne kwemu are na gwala lao. It is disgrace of hiara agwa de kenu wari riaje. I saw this disgrace go they follow now. Ona when you gbin ani, not by when you gbin ani. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Why gbin ani gbugwa? Igwinere mugwa. Why wo wugwa? Why we content to worry? Are ni owa? Are ne kwemu? Why wo wugwa? Igwinere. Must somebody send you? Must somebody send you? Must somebody send you? Na magia wagie pisi aro. Wa stop him. Mona start to the carry people ne go juju. You no go pay una anything. You no go give una anything. You no give una. Mona no beat person finish. You can't they apologize to the person. After you don't curse all the old person. You don't curse all the generation. After you don't wait till not there body, you don't tell her. Then you want that person to come and forgive you. For me, I will forgive you. But that you see that privilege what I give you, not there again. That's why they say my things they different. Yes, because if I dey go with you, I go with all my heart. But you can't do me some kind thing, eh? You know, be say I hate you. Not be say maybe if I see good thing where they come, I not go share to you. I must always share to you. Of course, I must always share to you. But that relationship where like I feel tell you, so I not do them again. I not do them again. More na let peace dey social media. More na let peace dey. Make una stop. Make everybody they do it things. Yes. Me everybody they do it things. More na stop. Why ga gwale no ma gwaluwa? Why ga ri eni o ma jerebo? Name no help wa. You both should stop. It's not good. It will not give you good name. It will only give you bad name. People go see you fast. I see your children go say, "Hey, Jimmy, but me no nana. Very well. It oga lenwe. Oga lenwe. Again, na ye do eke era on see me jue. Eh? Then I did say maybe na joke. Before you know, the thing is getting wider. It came so wide. Make una stop oh. Social media presenter. Wani mwe gbugwa ne social media presenter analyzer and eba wati wa gbene gbugwa ye gbe. Wa awe ni emi wa. Okay? Mona they do na things. Mona not they carry people ne go ojuju. Go they look how na want to give the person down for, how na want to see it down for. It's not good. I will give my money. Not all heads. It gets on head where you don't need to touch. If you touch her, all is over you egbe. Like what happened to that ojuju man. Where go they pound later they can't cash her. Make they beat her and now it disappear. Now they start to see everything where they all the pictures. Now they see Faith's picture there. Who carried that picture go there? Who carried that picture go there? A lot of pictures is there. My people, when una want stop for this thing, it can't be telling now with social media now. Azangba zen, in your phone, they go they look you, in your comments, in your share, in your way me rock. I'm covering myself with the blood of Jesus. What stop okay? Mona the day una learn. Mona not the say na person send una. No. For me, I don't think very mere man. No, my give me. Agwa my bio money. Tigo no ari me. A bit what are you gonna do for me that will make me to come and fight the fight that is not my fight? I can never fight the fight that is not my fight. Agwa am I said it on never. Yeah, woman no ma gwalo we gwalo. Make una try to stay una lane. Eh? Inwinere igamugwa. Wa mwinere wa moyi zabo amweju wa moyi won ibu wenya. Iwinere izabo amweju. Wa hia do bobi tafe ye gbebe ni megwona na imedo ka mu wa gwe wa stop wa rele wa. Wa ga iga ka go ma gi wa ro wa igi nwinere gi mu wa. Eni ja emere nu wa we ni wa. Ege na ai na kwe no. Don't do that. You are a madam of your home. You are a big woman of your home, a big man of your home. Eh? Ogo kick me no wa de la diabe de oni. We mugwa. Amana go wa gbene gbugwa ye gbe. Must you come and be constitute nuisance on social media? If you maybe say somebody just do you something, must you come and be just disgracing the person? You don't do that. Please. You people should learn how not to take somebody picture or somebody name to babalawo. It's not good. Because why? I mean, now disgrace, they always come. You will be seeing disgrace. And you don't want to see that. So all the social media presenter. And I want to use this one for Monica. Monica, again, Ania, you need to open your eye. Like this. Enya yo hian sikegbe. Dere, me. Adafu we say we ya wo si. Okwe, I want to be your bestie. No need for all those things again. May they say they are home. Eh? Onare onuna, ena pa onuna. E lolo we be still ogugwe. Be still ogugwe. Eh? Wa si ogugwa. Wa iga gwalo ma no ma gwaluwa. If you wa adafu wa suwa ya wo si. Stay away from evil friend that will come and put you in problem. Stay away from them. It's not good. So now I carry come today. Now I carry come today. Make una stop. Here most of una like ojuju. Me, I never do ojuju since they born me. Make una stay away from ojuju. You no go give una anything. You see some of our brother for house now. They get that thing where they put for mouth, where they take they talk to their people for house. You see this thing, you go, I want you send me money, and when I make me, and when you record it, I will record that you are keeping it for the rainy time. A rainy ni is a buwa or buwa why do you of your hook? Why so queen, why me no muwalawa? Why me no siwalawa? What bene buwa jegbe? Iya wate wa mu gbezamamu akanonya bere begioma wa gbogwa yegbe ibi e donire social media ogwa tu agbe inwinere wa giga mu nyawu wa zolo mani edegbe ozolo bozolo we ekuwa mume I am ashamed of you people for you to bring your own fellow human being out and disgrace the person emini nero egbeni why the you wait boy I swallow for una. Una home must come back to una. You know guy could be. Una must surely reap what you sow. Yes. Don't do evil against people. If you do evil, the evil will return to you. Don't always stay on your lane. Learn how to stay on your lane. It's very important. Stop beating people that don't beat you. It's not good. It's not good. Okay? So my people, now I carry on today, Una do well, una share this video, okay? Make una help me share this video. Make go viral well. Yes. Make una let them know, say Mama Didi tell them, say no gain for ojuju. No gain for ojuju. And no gain for you to record your own fellow human being. If maybe say you not get evil where you want to do about that person time to come, I don't see the reason why you will record that person. Of course, you and somebody can talk. You can confirm that person. Just normal gist. You understand? So, when they record person, they keep her. And secondly, this recording, not be say they call you, not be say they call Kate direct. They not call her direct. Emune Ken, they call direct. Where you can't put on speaker, where Kate contain the record. That girl, Lolo, if you not run for her, not they fight for her again. That the way you come and they fight for her and they defend, and don't do it again. Don't try it again. Please, okay? Because all those kind of people that will put you in trouble, you don't need them. You don't need them in your life. You don't need them. Let them stay their home. Let them stay their home. Because this life, you don't get part 2. Now only part 1 and now it gets. God forbid now I want to go Nigeria now. Oh, why are you yogere? Why are you yogere? I'm not do fear me. Wanna stop now? They say good name is better than riches. Learn how to have good name. It's very, very important. When you have good name, sky is your limits. You will do anything you want to do. You they move follow person, they say call it star for. You know me say it's senior you, not make you they tell and call it star. No. You just want the way they take bring you up. Now go your con social media, man. No man what do I if it's a mess no ya ladin. O ma se oze ya nu gbe Katie, thank God say you can't apologize. I really appreciate, and let her be say it don't finish, say you not go come out again, can't they do all those things to Monica again or other people. Wanna stop to the recording, okay? Make we not stop. Make we try to put ourselves in other people's shoes, okay? Please. Okay? Now I carry comfort today. God bless you all for watching. And if you know say you never follow Mama Didi, I better follow my page, like my page and follow it. Yes, also go to my YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel too. Make sure you hold that bell so that anytime I upload any video, you will be the first to notify. I love you all. May the good Lord continue to bless you all. Much love and much kisses to you all. I will see you guys on my next video. Yes, so this place is not a saga place, okay? Now the way be with the talker, make una know who una they call una friend, who una they gist una matter to. Most of them, they are evil. They want to see your downfall. Yes, so most of them, they are very, very devilish. Yes, they will be recording you without you knowing. It's very bad. Stay away from those friends and open your heart. Care you to any no man care you to you're on your home. Mama Didi don't talk home, which I know that is the truth. God bless you all. See you now. Bye. Love you all. Share this video. Mwah.